You slept for 8 hours, yet you wake up feeling more exhausted than when you went to bed. Another cup of coffee doesn't help. Another nap changes nothing, and every single morning feels exactly the same. What if the problem isn't how long you're sleeping, but what your body is silently trying to tell you?
Today, you'll discover the hidden reasons why millions of people feel tired every single day and how you can finally get your energy back.
Most people believe they're simply not getting enough sleep. But what if that's not the real problem? What if you're sleeping without truly recovering? Your body doesn't recover because you stay in bed longer. It recovers when your brain reaches deep, restorative sleep.
Think of your body like a smartphone. Leaving it plugged in all night means nothing if the charging cable is damaged. That's exactly what poor quality sleep does to your body. You spend 8 hours in bed, but wake up feeling like you never slept at all.
But poor sleep isn't the only reason you're constantly exhausted. Sometimes, the real problem is hiding inside your body. Every second, trillions of your cells work together to produce energy. But without the right nutrients, that entire system begins to slow down. A lack of vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, or magnesium can quietly drain your energy long before you notice any serious symptoms. The frightening part is, many people mistake nutrient deficiency for laziness, stress, or simply getting older, when their body is actually asking for help. But there's another silent energy thief that most people completely ignore, and it has nothing to do with sleep or vitamins.
Chronic stress keeps your body trapped in survival mode, even when there's no real danger.
When stress hormones stay high for too long, your brain becomes tired, your body feels heavier, and your energy slowly disappears.
That's why you can spend an entire day doing almost nothing, yet still feel completely exhausted by the evening.
There's one more habit that's quietly stealing your energy every single day. And chances are, you're doing it right now. Your brain was never designed to process endless notifications, constant scrolling, or hours of screen time. Every notification, every new video, every social media update demands a small piece of your attention.
It may not seem like much, but over time, your brain becomes mentally overloaded. You don't just feel distracted, you feel exhausted. This is known as mental fatigue, and unlike physical tiredness, sleep alone doesn't always fix it. Your brain also needs moments of silence, focus, and recovery.
Now here's the good news. Most people don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines to feel more energetic again.
Sometimes, small daily changes create the biggest results. Start by improving the quality of your sleep. Try putting your phone away at least 1 hour before bedtime. Keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Your brain recovers best when it isn't constantly in. Next, pay attention to what you're feeding your body. Eat more whole foods, stay hydrated. And if your fatigue continues for weeks or months, consider speaking with a healthcare professional to check for possible nutrient deficiencies. Don't underestimate the power of stress management. Take a walk outside. Practice deep breathing. Spend a few minutes away from screens. Even small breaks can help your brain reset and restore its energy. The truth is, feeling tired all the time isn't something you should simply accept. Your body is trying to tell you something.
Vital Horizon. Will morning habits. Until then, take care of your body because it's the ever truly live.
The sooner you listen, the sooner you can start feeling like yourself again. If you found this video helped naturally, until then, take care of your...
Enjoyed this video? Like, subscribe to Vital Horizon, and join us for more science-backed health insights. See you next time.